Pretty cool looking lamp. Came in a pretty small box, and these all separate here. There's one of them. I think there's another. I'm not going to take it apart now. It's super heavy too, which I like. It's hard to lift even with one hand, so it's got a good strong base. It's not weak and flimsy. This actually is just Velcro that's rolled onto these little metal brackets. Pretty ingenious how they do it, but yeah, once it's on, it looks great. So there's the top there. It's got the, you can get the clicker. I just had the regular single. And yeah, we just took down our holiday decoration, so we're just getting ready to put it in its permanent home. But before I did, I just wanted to show how much we like it. It's simple, it's elegant, sturdy, unique design.
Got the chair moved over so you can see the lamp better, but I love the way this lamp looks in the nursery. It's the perfect color. It goes with the crib well. It was insanely easy to put together. It just came in 3 or 4 different pieces and you screw it together. The longest part was just putting the lampshade together, but it was not hard at all. We love the way that it looks, and I always get compliments on it.